Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we will be making a super potent Ayurvedic hair growth tea. And the best thing about it is you do not need to rinse it out. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is black seeds. Black seeds are so potent they are actually considered an essential oil. It is super effective in regrowing thinning areas on the scalp. The second ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is a well-known hair growth booster that contains thickening properties. The seeds literally contain large amounts of lecithin, which hydrate the hair and strengthen the roots of the hair follicles. The third ingredient is none other than white rice. Rice water went super viral for a reason, guys. This is because rice water reduces shedding and increases hair growth. It also contains amino acids which help to generate and aid hair growth. The fourth ingredient is dried rosemary. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It actually improves blood circulation as well, which prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply and dying off. In the rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Now the last ingredient is optional, mainly because of the smell, which puts most people off. But the last ingredient is curry leaves. Curry leaves are anciently used by Indian women to grow their hair thick and long. They are rich in antioxidants and in iron, and they help strengthen the hair roots and help prevent hair loss. So guys, all 5 ingredients are major Ayurvedic seeds or herbs that are globally known to contribute massively to hair growth, which is why pairing all of these together make this hair tea super potent. Once the hair tea has been boiled for 10 to 15 minutes, it can be left to cool down before transferring it to a jar for storage in the fridge. However, in this case, I will be applying the hair tea onto my scalp, so I'll proceed to drain it and transfer it into a spray bottle for easy application. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. So guys, it is important to note that this Ayurvedic hair tea is made from fresh plants and seeds. Therefore, it would need to be refrigerated immediately after use, otherwise it could go rancid. to the application of the hair tea. This hair tea is super potent due to its powerful ingredients. The rice and fenugreek contain protein, which strengthen the hair. However, too much protein is not good for your hair, so we would not recommend using this hair tea more than once a week. When applying the hair tea, it is best to part your hair into 2 to 4 sections for easy application. Now guys, this hair tea is not to be used on the body of your hair. Instead, you only use it on the scalp of your hair by spraying directly onto the scalp and massaging it in. Lastly, once used on the scalp, you can seal in with a moisturizer or a light oil. You do not need to rinse this hair tea out, guys. You do not need to rinse it out. But once you've used it on your hair, do not forget to store the hair tea in the fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and comment down below what you think of this recipe. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!